What's up, everybody? Today we car show old school versus new school, but before we do that we need to eat, so let's go meet everyone else. So we are now here with our car expert Tammy.
It's me.
And then other people that just wanted to come along for the ride. Kaz, Tegan, Oren, and Tyrell, who's walking away from the camera. He's camera shy, so we're going to spend most of our time following him.
Shot, man.
There's Oren fighting me because he doesn't want to be filmed while eating. Oh wait, there's Tegan. Close up. There we go, confidence. Oren, what's happening, bro? What's happening? I heard whispering. Wait, did you want to do that in camera? Is that what you were waiting for? How do you feel after your food?
I feel
Speak louder.
like I can have another one, but really, yeah.
And Tams?
I'm full.
Cam, this is stole my chip.
Oh, she stole Tegan's chip. Now they're gonna roll.
Again.
Oh,
Whoa!
you wanna sleep, boy?
Me, I won't sleep.
Right, this bag is bloody hot, right? Yes, sis. Yes, it's Indian song. Yes, it's man. It was under your arm. You trapped it. You're so lucky. I think it's there why you trapped it. You trapped that thing under your arm, bruh. Hey, my arm is dead. Lucky, bruh. Shit.
Care to tell us what you're running away from?
A bee.
Yeah.
Hey, bruh. That thing was like.
Bro, what's wrong with your arms?
What's wrong with what do you mean?
Why are they a weird color?
What do you mean?
Why are they a weird color, dude?
Did you better delete this?
They look a little bit purple.
Better delete this video.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star. Didn't even get to cross. I said I'm moving too far. Get to glass. Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast. Didn't even get to glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's best to flaunt. We aren't hating because you aren't shining like it's neon. Rock like kings of Leon. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then amateurs have to leave. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then amateurs have to leave. Yeah, shooting. Yeah, shooting. Yeah, shooting. Yeah, shooting shots. Didn't even get to cross. I'm moving too far. Get to glass.
Monday.
Who do you take?
This right here, this here, this right here, this right here.
This definitely is. It's the Baki.
Studebaker.
It's this. And a 528.
Yeah, but this thing though.
What do you take?
What did you take?
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I'll be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know you are fine.
Exclusive footage right here. Seriously. Oh my god.
Like a boss.
That's my.
Wait. Vodka, bro.
Lager?
Sweet, bro. Shot, bro.
Up here.
Oh, fire. Check this meat coming in the road.
Yay!
So we're back from the car show. We didn't film our outro there because the lighting was bad. Now we have a light, so we decided to film it here. It was a lot of fun, but we learned that it's quite difficult to shoot a car show because everything's happening all over the place. So you're standing here and then you hear screams coming over there, and you hear a car spinning or revving over there, and you're missing everything. And then you're walking away and then there's a car spinning behind you, and
And then there's a big guy who comes and stands in front of you so you can't see anything. And yeah.
But anyway, so this video is just a glimpse, just a small part of this car show that we went to, but it's what we saw, so it's our experience of it. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, share, subscribe.
Doop.
Okay.
Alright.
Cheers, come back, come back.